Hi, thanks for stopping by. This is Teresa from Sami. In this video we are sewing a pillowcase romper. The PDF includes the pattern pieces for 14-inch and 18-inch dolls like Wellie Wishers or American Girl dolls. The link to the pattern is in the video description. The materials are listed here, but you can also have another look at it in the PDF file. We begin by finishing the raw side edges of the pattern pieces with an overlock or zigzag stitch. We put both front and back pieces right sides on top of each other each and pin and sew them together along the center front and back seams. Now we place the front and back pieces on top of each other, right sides facing, and pin them together along the side edges. We then sew along the side edges with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Next we take the bias tape, fold it open and place it onto the raw edge of the arm openings, right sides facing, and pin it into place. Then we sew the bias tape to the arm openings. We are sewing along the open crease of the bias tape. Now we trim the seam allowance slightly, about 1/8 of an inch. We fold the bias tape over to the wrong side of the fabric and pin it into place. We sew the bias tape into place very close to the folded over edge, making sure we catch the bias tape on the wrong side of the romper as well. Next we finish the raw edges at the top and bottom of the romper, the neck and legs. Then we pin the inner leg seams. And we sew along the inner leg seam. Now we fold the bottom leg edges over twice. I folded over 1/4 of an inch the first time and then about 7/8 of an inch the second time, and pin them into place. Next we sew the folded over bottom leg edges into place. Then we fold the top edges over twice to make the casing for the ribbon. I fold the fabric over 1/4 of an inch for the first time and then about 1/2 of an inch the second time. And we sew along the fold to create the casing for the ribbon. We turn the romper inside out. Now it's time to choose a pretty ribbon and pull it through the casing on both sides, or use 2 ribbons, one for each side. And then our romper is done. I hope you enjoyed this project and will make many more. If you like, share a picture of your project in the Sami Facebook group. The link is in the video description. Thank you so much for watching and for sewing with me. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos if you like, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'd love to see you over there. See you next time. Bye!